Okay, guys, once you finish the review for all of the quizzes that you take in here, you need to take a screenshot of your final screen and then submit that because you get 5 free points just for doing the review. So your page might look like mine and might look different. Either way, this was the ending page when I finished the review quiz. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. So to take your screenshot, you guys are going to come down to your taskbar. If the snipping tool icon is not down there in your taskbar, you need to come over here where it says type here to search, and you can get it from there. As soon as you start typing in snipping tool, it'll pop up. All right, so when you're ready, click on the snipping tool button there, and then you're going to hit new. And then you're just going to drag your cursor. See how it's that crossbar. Just drag it across whatever it is you're taking a screenshot of. And it's going to pop up in its own screen. Go ahead and save it. So we're going to hit the floppy disk icon. Remember, right here is super important. You're going to want to save it to your OneDrive, to your computer apps folder, and then you can just call it something like Shortcuts Review, and then hit save. Once you've saved it, you can go ahead and close it out, and then you're going to head to Schoology. Okay, so now you're in Schoology. Make sure you're in the proper assignment, which is 0.0. Just kidding. My bad. No, you should actually not be in this. You should actually be in the review because that's the one we're doing. Yeah, you should be in 0.03 Keyboard Shortcuts Quiz Review. And then you're going to go to Submit. And now this is a screenshot. So this gets submitted a little bit differently than we did the link to the other assignment. This time you're actually going to stay on this Upload tab. And you're just going to click this icon right here next to the microphone. That's going to open up your File Explorer. And from here, you got to remember where you saved it, which we saved it in our OneDrive, in our Computer Apps folder. And I titled it, Shortcuts something or other, I think, right? Yeah, Shortcuts Review right there. I'd click it. I'd hit Open. You can see it attached there. And then I would hit Submit. And then you are done submitting that assignment and you're ready to take your first quiz. Good job, guys.